design a short hairstyle for the model. First, choose Vern Texturizing scissors for less, medium, and more hair volume. Using all three in combination, adjust the areas with more hair appropriately. Use two Vern Texturizing scissors together with Vern Bridge to enhance facial effects, adding more layers and making the hairstyle smoother. The unique L-shaped teeth, a world-patented design of Vern Texturizing scissors, allow precise hair removal without leaving any tool marks, making the hairstyle more perfect. For cutting the hair length, divide it into two sections and use a point cutting technique. The combination of the two Vern scissors efficiently creates two perfectly pointed hair ends, making the tips softer and more natural. At the nape, use Vern styling scissors to create a unique spacing effect, skillfully completing the overall hairstyle. Finally, with a simple run of your fingers through the hair, the lines of the hairstyle are perfectly revealed.
Welcome to leave a comment. Hit the like, share, subscribe buttons, and click the bell to receive notifications of latest videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. You wanna buy Vern scissors? Get more details in description.